finally get some light. That's a half a cod one. Little cod and a half.
We'll be getting pretty good action with steppers at the moment. Hopefully it's a stepper. Oh, I can see it. Big boy. Big boy. Oh my god. Oh, big boy. Fuck, where's the net?
Another simple matter. You're gonna be misled. Alright.
Yeah, Jacko! Yeah! Straight lining. Yeah!
Mean.
Hold it up, bro. Hold it up. Yay! Nicely. Alright, just make it short. Yeah. Yeah! We got a double hook up. The baby's getting peeled up now.
I got to go because something don't get right, and it won't get better no matter how hard I try.
We've got another stick going down.